guys must really love mediocre entertainment if you guys are watching this, but thanks for joining us. Yet another week of me embarrassing myself for the internet to see. So it's nowhere near close enough to festival season. However, I think you've got to stay hopeful, you've got to stay positive, and that's what I'm doing today. So I've seen this photo kind of pop up in my newsfeed a couple of times, and it's basically of this like really cool kind of like top. It's a bit festival-y, a little bit quirky, and I thought, perfect, I'm going to try and recreate that at home because I'm alright at sewing. I could put two bits of material together, so I mean already I'm off to a great start. So I'll insert a picture of the top that I'm trying to copy right now. It should just be here, or like the whole screen. So it doesn't look too complicated, right? So I went out and bought myself some material. Black, because I'll choose a different color when they make a color darker than black. I'm just gonna see how I go. Basically my thought process is kind of like a boob tubey kind of thing. I know you can't, I should have chosen a different color to wear right now. 1 second. Back, quick costume change so you guys can actually see what's going on. Very see-through, and I reckon my mum would belt the shit out of me if I even thought about going outside with just like a bit of material. So I'm gonna double up. I'm gonna be a responsible person, and then I'm gonna like sew it so kind of like the nice bit shows on the outside. My thought process is to like ripple the sides on each side kind of thing. So it's like a boob tube kind of thing. I don't know. We're gonna find out together because I'm gonna need some straps to hold it up. Yeah, I know, absolutely incredible genius by me. We're gonna need, it's not gonna sit on its own. So I'm probably just gonna cut two bits of material. Have a gaze down. I'm literally on the end of my bed, so I'm risking it all for you guys. So, you know, you're welcome. Basically, I'm just gonna cut two strips, I guess. I'm trying to think how thick I'll need it. Enough to hold up a that doesn't really give me much to work with. All right, I think we're off to a good start. Good. All right, we're going for it, right? Oh, it started off so well. That's the issue, I think, with me. It starts off so well, and then it like, how to get that skinny that quickly? Fuck. I mean, oh, you mother. That's outrageous at the bottom. Rude. Really, really rude. I'll cut that off, cut our losses. Like, so now we're fraying. We're falling apart at the seams. Quite literally falling apart at the seams. Maybe I should start working on the top and then not worry so much about. Very rough. Looks just like me. Okay, so we're gonna do it this way. Obviously when almost cut that. I think I'm onto the right I'm not on to anything. You're gonna grab your needle and a bit of string. And you're gonna take about 45 minutes to thread the damn thing because did it the first go. Oh God. It goes in one side. Cool, pretty simple, pretty standard. And then just like through the other side. Cause like I haven't got a machine or anything. My mum does, but she doesn't let me use it because I wouldn't let me use it either. Everyone knows what I'm like. Oh fuck, I've got a cake in the oven. All right, I've got to go. 1 second. I'm going to get the cake in the oven that's been there for almost an hour. Excuse me. Don't panic, friends. The cake is fine. It looks amazing. And I'm back in isolation. Hooray for me. So I've been cooking. The main thing I think I try and not worry about, but just keep aware of is trying not to get yourself or your fingers stuck or threaded to the item, because it happens. It does happen. Watch until the end and maybe decide after you've seen the outcome, because I mean, not that anyone's gonna follow this anyway. Who do I think I am? If this works, I mean, that top that I saw is literally like, I think like $40 or $50. $50. So expensive. Like whatever. Like fair enough if it's like waterproof or something, which it probably is. It's probably a bikini top. Like I'm probably just being, but I mean, you know, I'd probably wear it out to like an event for like $50, $40, $50. Is it worth it? Probably not. And you're probably giving to some big company that mass produces and takes advantage of underprivileged kids. So why don't you take advantage of yourself and make one yourself? Take advantage of your time. I mean, the whole. I got a half a meter. Jeez, I'm having a stroke. I got half a meter for like $6. So you do the maths. Maybe the hours probably add up to about $40 or $50. But out. That seems about right. You would, wouldn't you? You would. Look at that. That's all I have to go left of like the longer side, and I haven't got enough. Honestly, that's my life. Just, it's never enough, is it? It's all a bit hard, isn't it? It's all a bit hard. So good. Would I have enough thread? Why would it be easy? It wouldn't. It could never be easy, because that's my life. Yeah, righto. Get tangled as well. Yep. Rub a bit of salt into the wounds. Get a bit tangled as well. Why not? Yep, go on. Make my life hard. Impressed? Yeah, are you? Because you should be, because I did that in one go. Perfect. Very nice. I don't know if it's even going to fit though. That's the only issue. I've lost the needle. Dangerous. Have I put it in something? Oh, there it is. I've made a mistake. This is not going to be big enough. I don't think this top is going to have the capacity and or facility to keep me decent, if you know what I mean. But, I mean, I've come this far and I've spent more time on it than I'd like to admit. So I'm going to see it through to the end, because I'm not a quitter. Rehab is for quitters. So I'm just... That was a joke. I'm going to continue on, strong and confident, and we'll just have to deal with the consequences. Put on the last straps, and this is what the top looks like so thus far. So the straps just kind of connect at the back, like so, but I'm going to try it on, and hopefully I don't pull a Janet Jackson and have a bit of a wardrobe malfunction. I'll give you a look-see, or maybe I won't. So I tied the top up, and yeah, it wasn't suitable. I don't know. I feel like this has actually got me stumped. Like, I just don't know how to tie it so it sits nicely, so it stays on my body, which is kind of an important part of the whole top. If I carry the 1 plus the 2. All right, leave it with me. All right, hang on to tick. I think I may have done it. I've done something anyway. Why is this actually good? How's that? And a little bit of a back thing. Now, look, the thing is, I had to cut like the straps out of like this material, so it kind of frayed a little bit. So I think if I went to a festival, I'd probably put a bit of ribbon in, and I had to tie it at the front to like pull this across. But honestly, how cute is that? I actually love it. I'm so wrapped. I'm just like, I didn't think I was gonna pull through. See me out of the dance floor rocking Alex Ange Duff Couture. Couture? Anyway, however you say it, I'm stoked.